Hello, 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 and how are you? How are you today? I ask how you are all the time because I care about you. Welcome to numeracy class with Mrs. Na. Can you see what I'm holding? What is this? What is this? A clock. You are so brilliant. Now, before we start, what did you do with Mrs. Buje last week? What was the topic of the lesson? What was your numeracy topic last week? Oh, subtraction. Okay, did you use numbers or Naira and Kobo? Naira and Kobo. Good job. I hope you learned a lot. So this week, our topic is telling time. Can we say it together? Yes, telling time. So we're going to get right into it. To tell time, we use the clock, okay? So this is our clock. I made it specially for you. You can see I made it by myself, okay? So one of the things we'll be doing today is how to tell time. Telling time in half past and in o'clock. Don't worry, you understand. Now, the numbers on your clock goes from 1 to 12. You can see 12 is in the middle and 6 is right under it. Can you see that clearly? Great. So you have all the numbers here. Can we count? 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it starts right from 1 to 12. Great. So now, your clock, you have what we call the minute hand and the hour hand. You have the what? Minute hand and the hour hand. If you look closely, you will see the minute hand and the hour hand. The long hand is called the minute hand and the short hand is called the hour hand. Can we say that together? The long hand is called the what? Minute hand. And the short hand is called the hour hand. So we're going to be learning how to tell time in o'clock and in half past. O'clock means the long hand will be on 12, and wherever the short hand is on, it will be a clock of that number. Let me show you. Permits me to use my hand. So now the long hand is on 12, and the short hand, from what you can see, is on 4. It means it's 4 o'clock. I'm using my hands now. If the short hand goes over to 6, it will be what? 6 o'clock. Remember, the long hand is on 12 for it to be o'clock. Now, if the short hand moves this way, I told you wherever the short hand is on that number, it will be that number o'clock. So let's look at this. The short hand is right now on 8. What time is it? 8 o'clock. Good. I'm glad you're getting it. Now, the short hand is on 10. It will be what? 10 o'clock. All right? Good job. Now, for it to be an hour, the long hand will go round the clock. Okay? Now, let's look at how we can tell time in half past. To tell time in half past, the long hand will be on 6 and the short hand will be past a lower number, that's a smaller number, and will be going to another number. It's on 6 because it's half of this. Half of 12 is 6, you know, right? So the long hand is on 6 and it will be going towards a number and you had just gone past another one. So now let's look at it together. The long hand is on 6. The short hand has gone past 8. Can you see? It's just moving past 8. Going to where? 9. It's moved past the house of number 8 going to the house of number 9. So it is half past 8. Not half past 9 because he has not gotten to 9 yet it is going to 9. So it is past 8. Now, if the shorthand is on 10, it will not be on 10 directly. It will be going past 10. It will have gone past 10, going towards 11. So this is half past 10. Is what? Half past 10.